Okay, this is what I came back for. Look at that fender. I really couldn't sleep thinking about that. There's no rust on that inner fender. I don't know if you could see it. There's no rust on the outer fender. That's an extended cab too. 4-wheel drive. Then I looked at the other side, and the other side's just as good. I've been up here for a year and I haven't seen one like this. There is some rust in there, but on the inner fender, that one looked like it was a little bit dry, but maybe I won't get that inner fender, I don't know. It's still intact. It's not been eaten through. Look at that. I'd almost take the hood, but my thought is take those fenders home and those inner fenders. In one afternoon I could swap them over, unbolt my rust, and bolt on new sheet metal. Take a tour of this and see how this is. Nice gray, probably pretty at the time. Gray carpet you don't want. If you got one, they're always going to be stained yellow. It's discoloring. It's not anything you can clean. Those seats are hammered. You might be able to clean them up, but maybe not. Someone's nice truck. That's some cancer there. It's been used hard. Bed liners if you want them. That one's pretty hammered. And of course all the customary 1992 Chevrolet S10.